let's talk Agora. This is an independent film starring Rachel Weisz, made through the help of a few countries. I know it was released in Great Britain before it was out here. And I'm not sure that it will go wide release because it's receiving mixed reviews, and my review would be mixed. Actually, if you have to see it, find a way to see it, but otherwise, just wait until it comes on rental. It's fascinating time in history. It's about 400 AD in Alexandria, based on true events. A woman who actually existed, Hypatia, is a philosopher, and it tells her story. And it's the time when pagans were still in control of the city, but the Christians are rising up and taking over. And it does have that quintessential event, the destruction of the library at Alexandria, which was just devastating to the whole world. Rachel Weisz is wonderful. There are too many other characters. Frankly, some of those subplots should go away, and it would be a much tighter film. One fun thing is if you're watching Emma on Masterpiece Theater right now, Rupert Evans plays Frank Churchill. He's in the film. He plays Synesius, but it's a small character, and frankly, should have been done away with. So, put it on that Netflix list, and back to the dishes.